Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's session, I'll be flashing some light on software defined WAN technology, which is nothing but cloud environment. We do use hardware devices, but not much. It's totally software based, like a overlay network connected to hub locations. The hubs are nothing but branches, and the cloud environment is nothing but data center. Since it is software based, we call it as SD-WAN. It supports layer 3, layer 2 technology. So it is comprised of four basic planes: orchestration plane, management plane, control plane, and data plane. Orchestration is something nothing but one point authentication. It takes care of one point authentication. Management is something which will be taking care of managing the VHs as well as vSmarts. Control plane will be taking care of VHs. It will be controlling, as the name suggests. And data plane is something which is nothing but the access switches like VHs. So in the data center, we'll be having vSwitch connected to vManage, vSmart, and Reborn, which will be connected to internet router, and the router will have connections to the branches. Those three will be the vManage, Reborn, and vSmart will act like a servers, which will be connected to switches, vSwitch. So what exactly is Reborn and how it works? Well, it's nothing but it's something which will be taking care of control and management plane. Its first point of authentication. It does have the list of vSmart and vManage. It takes care of NAT. It generally requires public IP. It could sit behind 1:1 NAT as well. vManage, it's something which will be taking care of policies and templates. It acts as a centralized server which will be used to troubleshoot and monitor the edges like software upgrades, GUI, and the other stuff. It does have programmatic interfaces like REST and netcon. vSmart will be taking care of control plane between the edges. It will be distributing the routing policies to the edges. It will be implementing the control policies such as service chaining, hub and spoke topology. It distributes the OMP routes between the VHs. In SD-WAN, we do have dedicated VPN numbers, which is nothing but like the so-called particular modules. They've got dedicated VPN numbers. So VPN 0 is dedicated to transport VPN. VPN 512 is dedicated to management out of band technology. VPN 12511 and 513 to 65535 for VHs. In the previous slide, I already talked about vSmart, in which I mentioned that it will be distributing the OMP routes So what exactly is OMP is nothing but overlay management protocol. It's a protocol responsible for establishing and maintaining the control plane. It's TCP based. It runs between VH router and smart controllers. It takes care of following attributes which has been mentioned in this slide. The first one is T-lock. The other one is origin. The third one is site ID. Fourth one is VPN number. Fifth one is preference. Sixth one is service. And seventh one is tag. I'll be detailing each and every attribute which has been mentioned and listed out in this slide in the next session. However, being said that, I want you guys to go through the entire session and the slide, and if you got any question you can always come back with the so-called stupendous links and comments if you've got, and I'll come up with the humble replies. Thanks anyways, take care, have a good day, bye bye.